your hands and close your eyes. Say, everything I am, Kanak. Everything I'll be, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Everything I have, all you given me, I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully, thankfully. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the bird that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless you. God bless you. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Okay, so good morning, all of you. I hope your Raksha Bandhan was good. You enjoyed your Raksha Bandhan, yes?
Ma'am, my boys come also.
Very nice, Yanvi. Very nice.
I ate lots of chocolate.
You ate lots of chocolates, lots of sweet. You might be getting lots of gift also, especially the girls. Yeah.
I didn't get it.
It's okay. You have lots of chocolate. That is also good.
Ma'am, pizza Rakhi.
Pizza Rakhi.
I have juice Rakhi.
You have a juice Rakhi. Oh my God. Such different Rakhis are there nowadays, huh? Yes.
Ma'am,
Very nice. I can see your Rakhi also.
मैम मेरे पास दो राखी है एक ऐसी वाली राखी
White wali Rakhi. Oh. Nice gift, huh? Very nice. Yes. Look, what is that?
Ma'am, I didn't get my gift yet, but it's on the way.
Okay.
After 2 or 3 days, it will come.
Look, your Rakhi is nice.
मेरी एक और राखी है मैम what is it? ये वाली
Nice. Nowadays, different types of Rakhi are there for you all. Chalo, that's very good. So, nice. Now we will begin again with our classes, right? Now there is no holiday, there is no celebration for this week, only for this week. So, let's start with that. Yes, Shiven has already written the date and the date is correct. Everyone, please write down the date, today's date in the chat box. Okay, Shiven, Shlok and Hit, the dates are correct.
Even
Kanak, can you please mute your microphone? Yes. Please, thank you. Now, please write down the date in the chat box. Yes, Vedika, Yanvi, Laksh, correct. Hima is correct. Araf, correct. And what is the day today? Today is Monday, right? So, the date is 23 August 2021 and the day is Monday. Okay, which day is there? Monday. Yes, Kanak? The date is correct. Now, as we have started with R blend now, and from R blend we have finished bra and cra family. Okay, so what are the words from bra? Bread, brick, bride. Okay, so these are the words from bra. Then we have finished even cra. Cr is cra, crab, then crack, clip. Okay, crow, crown. These all are the words of crow family. Once again, one thing which I want to tell you, that blend is the meaning of the beginning sound. Okay, sometimes you might be feel difficulties for the bigger word, okay, because the spellings are big, right? You have learned till 3-letter words, and now this is 4-letter, 5-letter, some are might be 6-letter. So don't worry, you just do the practice, okay, and slowly and gradually we are going to have new concepts, so all the big letters also you are able to do. So don't worry about it, but just do one thing, you just do the revision every time. Okay, class? And then too, if you will face any problem for any blends, whether it is L blend, and now we have started with R blend, so just let me know, we will do once again revision. Anyhow, we are going to do the revision, so don't worry. Okay, so today we are going to start with the new blend, that is dra and gra. Okay, dr, dra, and gr, gra. This is the new family which we are going to learn today. Okay, I'm sharing you the screen and we can start. Okay. Chalo. The first family is dra. D R D R dra. Okay, dra. The first word from dra is draw. When we are drawing something, right? So that is called dra or draw. AW is aw. Okay, dra.
Ma'am.
Draw. Yes, Iman. बोलिए. What do you want to say?
I can see, ma'am.
What you can see?
Drum, ma'am. Drum.
Okay. Chalo, now Shlok, mute your microphone. Draw or draw. And yes, the next word is drum. Okay, drum you used to play during Garpati time or any festive is there at that time. Okay, so that is called drum. It's a musical instrument. So draw or draw, drum. Then yes, Kanak.
I have drum.
That's very good. So you play it. Okay. The next word is dress. Okay. Dress. A beautiful dress when we are wearing. Okay. That is called dress. Okay. Then the next word is drip. Okay. Drip. ड्रिप का मतलब ऐसा है लाइक इट इज काइंड ऑफ जैसे इफ यू नो वी आर पेंटिंग राइट, वी आर पेंटिंग एनीवेयर एंड ऐसे नीचे गिरती है बूंदे, इट इज लाइक दिस. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड ड्रिप. जब कोई चीज को टच होके और नीचे ऐसे स्लाइड करके जाती है ना, गिरती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड ड्रिप. Okay, it's kind of a drop, but drop क्या होता है? One by one it is used to be that. But this is not that way, but it is also kind of कोई भी चीज, liquid cheese, any liquid cheese will fall down, that is called drip.
Water drip is also same.
Huh?
Water drip is also same.
Photo drip?
Not water, I'm saying water.
Yes, but that is a water drop. Like drip, when we will stick to anything and slowly the liquid will go down, at that time we will say drip. Okay, that is the word of drip. It's kind of a drop, but drop is little bit different and drip is little bit. But liquid cheese, कोई भी liquid cheese अगर आपकी नीचे गिरती है धीरे धीरे slowly, that is called drip. Okay, wait a minute, if I have an image I can show you. When it is moving very slowly, okay, that is called drip. Kind of a drop, but in a little bit different way. Can you see this? This is called drip. Okay, it's a drop only, but in little bit in a different way. This is drip. Chalo. Now the next word is again drip ke baad the drop. Okay, water drop or any drop. So drop, up, drop. Drop, up, drop. Then the next word is ink, drink. Ink, drink. Okay, ink, drink. Next, we will read the sentence. A blue dress. Okay, a blue dress. Again, we will do once revision for draw words. Draw,
Right.
drum. Yes.
We want to write.
No. Why to write? I didn't told you to write right now. Don't write. Draw, draw, drum. Draw, dress, draw, drip, draw, up, drop, draw, ink, drink. Okay, then a blue dress. Next we have the word that is gra. Okay, gra. G and r, that makes a gra sound. Gra as grass. Gra as grass.
Ma'am, I can see grass, the grass word.
Okay, fine. You can say grass also. Gra as grass. Grow. Okay. So when the things like you can see the plant is growing. Even we all are, as a human being also we are growing. Okay. So grow and grass. And we have the another word that is.
My birthday is close.
Huh?
Birthday is coming in the next month.
Kanak, we are learning right now. Yes, bacha. If you want to say, yes. If you want to say, you can say at the end, bacha. Okay. Now, gra in green. Gra in green. The green color. Then grapes. Gra in green. Grapes. Now let's read a sentence. I like green grapes. Okay. I like green grapes. Now let's do the revision. Draw, drum, dress, drip, up, drop, ink, drink, a blue dress, grass, grow, in green, grapes. Okay, I like green grapes. Now you will read these words. Okay, we will start with Shlok. Yes, Shlok, read the word.
I'm drawing.
ये drawing है.
Draw. Drum.
Correct. Now Prayag, you will read. Prayag.
What is this?
Dress.
What? Draw.
Drip.
Yes, dress and drip. Yes, Arav, read the words. Arav, your microphone is not working? Okay. Shiven, you will read the words.
Drink.
Correct. Wait, read the sentence.
Blue dress.
Correct. Now, Yanvi, read the words.
Grow as grass. Grow.
Correct. Yes, Vedika, read the words.
Grow in green. Grow its grapes.
Yes. Then, Paki, read the sentence.
I like green grapes.
Correct. Now, again, Laksh, read the words. Laksh.
Draw. Drum.
Correct. Now, Khanak, read the words. Khanak.
Dress.
Yes.
Drip.
Drip. Arav, now try to read. Now your microphone is working, Arav.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the words.
Drop. Drink.
Yes. Anybody is left? Vedika, you are done, right? Anybody is left?
See.
Okay, Shri, yes. Yes, Hime, sorry. Just a minute, Shri, read the sentence.
Blue glass.
Okay. Now, Hime, you will read. Hime, read the words.
Grow as grass.
Hmm?
Grow.
Correct. Yes, Danish, read the word.
Yes.
Read the words.
Grow in green.
Then?
Grow as grapes.
Yes, correct. Now anybody is left? Anybody is left to read the words? Okay. So here we have learned today the another two family, that is Gra and Dra. Okay, so we have finished in our blends, I think so. Kra, Dra, Dra and Gra. Okay, so don't get confused between all the words. Okay, are you getting me? Yes or no? We have completed. Gra, Bra, Dra and Kra. Okay, we have completed 4 families. Now everyone write one word from Gra. Write one word from Gra in your chat box. One word from Gra. One word from Gra. Okay, grass.
Grow.
Gra, G-R, Gra. Grace. Very good, Paki. Green is correct, Shivam. Grow is correct, Prayag. Shri, correct. Grass is correct. Group? Group, what is group, Hime? I think so group you want to tell us. Green is correct, Shri, Vedika and Shlok. Grass is correct. Grip. Grip is correct. Laksh. Now, one word from Dra. D-R, Dra. D-R, Dra. Okay, dress is correct, Shiven. Hima, dress is correct. I want drum. Drum is also correct. Drop is correct. Drum correct. Drip, dress correct. Any new word also you can think. We have learned drip. Drip.
Dream.
Dream is also correct. Dream is correct. Then any new word from draw? Draw is correct, Shri. Drill, there is a drill machine, right? So the drill word is also correct. When we are dragging, drag is also correct. हम drag करते हैं ना, even in PC when you are using your mouse, so you are dragging something, right? So that is called drag. So drag is also correct. Drill is also correct. Dragon is also correct. Then even dry, D-R-Y. Yes, dry is also correct word, right? Dry. Dry. Dry is also correct. Okay, correct. So here we are done with our English class. Now your next class, we will see you in the next class, and your third class is your dance class. So be there in your dance class, okay? Be present in the dance class.
What is?
I think so. It is maths.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Class is over here. Bye.
Bye.